Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. I'm going to start off by showing you guys an unboxing of the wig that they sent me to review this time. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the lazy girl method of applying this wig. I'm going to start off by showing you the application process, and then I'm going to give you guys my final verdict at the end. So just stay tuned, and shout out to all of my premiere people. This time I decided to request a straight wig. I don't know if I've done a straight long wig in a while on my channel. I usually do more human hair bobs and stuff like that, but I decided to pick this up, and I'm looking at myself because I really love this look, the dark, the black color, the middle part, and it's just so flat and sleek. But before I get into all of that, I'm going to tell you some specs about this wig. This is a 360 frontal wig, so it does have lace all around the perimeter, but I don't really wear my wigs up in ponytails and stuff, but you can if you would like. 180% density. It doesn't feel like it's 180% density, but I will say I love this density. It is not thick, but it's not thin. It's like perfect. And I think that also has something to do with the texture as well, because this is a Yaki straight Brazilian virgin wig. If this was like a kinky straight wig, it would take me a long time to flat iron it and stuff. But this is like a light Yaki texture, and I just think it's just the perfect density. It's not too thick, but I don't feel like I'm being skimped out on any density at all. I think this is just beautiful. So it's the natural color. I have it in 18 inches and I'm 6 feet tall. And this is where it falls on me. This is where it falls in the back. 360 lace around the perimeter. As I told you guys, you have wefts at the crown, 180% density. It's pre-plucked, but I like my hairlines to look as natural as possible, so I did go back in and tweeze some of the hairline. I do have baby hairs around the perimeter, but when I was styling it, I didn't notice it. Or this wig is like a Yaki texture and it's straight, so I was like, I don't necessarily need any baby hairs. All of the front knots are bleached, so it's bleached all around the front. It has the removable, adjustable, elastic band that a lot of companies are starting to do with their human hair wigs, and that's something I appreciate because those wigs are the ones that I tend to gravitate toward wearing on a daily basis. And this video today, I applied it using the lazy girl method, and I think the cap size that I got is medium. I never get large or small because my head is big. It's too big for small. My head circumference is 23 inches, but their medium is a 22.5 if I'm not mistaken. But this cap size fits perfectly. And I say that I did have to cut, even though my head is 23 inches, I did have to cut around the ear area and some of the hair came out. That happens when you want your wig to fit a bit more custom to your head. As soon as I put it on my head and got it situated, I realized I don't even have to use got to be glued or anything. So I was like, I'm not doing that if I don't have to. So that's why I call it the lazy girl method, because you don't have to do a lot of stuff to make it look natural. So what I did was I took 2 bobby pins, one for each side, and I tucked the tabs, the ear tabs over here. I just tucked it underneath the wig, and then I placed the bobby pin in there. And I'm wearing it as a middle part and straight down, so you're not gonna be seeing my ears that much. So I was like, I might as well just put some bobby pins in there and not bother with got to be glued at all. So I can just lift this if I want to. It's perfect for me because sometimes I run a lot of errands throughout the week, and I review a lot of wigs throughout the week, and I do not like to sleep in my wigs. Like the longest amount of time I will have a wig on my head is probably 2 days, and then I'll take it off. But that's a rare thing to happen. I usually take my wigs off every night, so that's why you don't see me reviewing different glues and stuff on my channel very often, because I just use got to be glued, spray it with water at night, and then I take it off. So this is the lazy girl method. And after I put the bobby pins and stuff in it, I ran a flat iron through this wig, and I didn't do like a lot of passes on it because it has this texture is just everything. I'm not gassing it up. I personally really love the texture of this wig. It's like, it feels like somebody that just got a relaxer. Oh, I love this texture on this wig. So I didn't want to flat iron it too much. So I just did 2 or 3 passes at the most. Then I put a little bit of foam wrap at the top because it did have a lot of hump action. And a lot of times with human hair wigs, you're gonna have to put in a little bit of work as far as like hot tools go, especially with straight wigs and, you know, body wave textured wigs and stuff like that. So I just put a little bit at the top, and then I went in with my flyaway tamer, and that got it really smooth. And then I went in with my flyaway tamer, and then followed it with my Andes or Andis hot comb that I got from Amazon. I'll have a link down below if you are interested in having one. This is like a must-have, like if you want your wigs to be nice and sleek, especially straight wigs. I have used this with my curly wigs as well if I want the root to be nice and flat. I also use it on my synthetic wigs. I just use a low heat setting when it comes to my synthetic wigs, just so it doesn't burn. So yeah, I did that at the root, and I was done after I flat ironed it and did the root. Did put powder on the front of the lace and in the part, and that's it. So I feel like this was super easy, and surprisingly, in my wig collection, I don't have a lot of straight wigs that are this long and that's this specific texture. I really like this wig. I'm not gassing it. I really like it. And for people who watch me a lot, you guys can always tell if I don't like a wig. Like my energy is off. My energy is just off when I don't like a wig. I'm feeling this. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig from WowAfrican, head over to their website. I do have a coupon code. It will be listed down below. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig, use my coupon code so you can save some coins at checkout. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring this video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my premiere people. I know you guys are watching this right now with me and chatting with me. Shout out to you guys. If you would like to catch one of my premieres, like every time that I upload and stuff, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified, and you can come chat with us, and you can come chat with me and my other subscribers and everything. Tell me down below, what do you think about this texture in this wig? Are you a lazy girl like me? I don't mind putting in the work with my wigs, but sometimes I just want to look really cute without, you know, a lot of effort putting into my wigs. So let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.